Hello and welcome to this week's Query of the Week. The query this week is I'm preparing a set of FRS 105 financial statements. I've decided to put additional disclosures on top of what's the minimum disclosures required by the micro companies regime in FRS 105. If I go and abridge those financial statements where I have put in additional disclosures in the notes to the accounts, do I have to include those in the abridged financial statements? So that's the question. I suppose to answer that then, you need to look to section 352 and 353 of the Companies Act 14 as amended by section 52 of Companies Accounting Act 2017. Effectively what that says is that in this particular case what the abridged account should include is obviously your financial statements less your P&L and then all the notes that are required by the micro companies regime. So section 353 effectively says you have to include all the notes from section 305, which deals with directors' remuneration, to section 321, which deals with accounting policies. But we know that the only notes applicable for the micro companies regime where you're applying that is actually loans given to the directors for their benefit, guarantees given for the benefit of the directors or their connected persons, the accounting policies, and where you're holding your own share or where you're holding your own shares as maybe treasury shares. They're the only three that are required. Therefore, your bridge accounts will only need those. And then on top of that, any specific disclosures required by the micro company regime themselves. And once you've gotten that, you need to make sure if you've taken the exemption to show the P&L reserves on the face of the P&L, that you include those in your notes to the abridged financial statements. On top of that, then it refers to section 291, whereby you need to include notes which were put in order to show a true and fair view. But we know that the Companies Act specifically states that FRS 105 micro companies regimes are presumed to show a true and fair view. So in short, if you've put in additional notes into your FRS 105 accounts, you can take them out when you're going to bridge the accounts. All you will need is the minimum requirements under the micro companies regime, and as I said, that will be your financial statements less your P&L, and then all the other ones in relation to micro companies regime, which in a nutshell is going to be your accounting policies, your loans to or guarantees given for the benefit of the directors, contingencies, guarantees, holding of own shares, impairment, reversal of impairments, a prior period adjustments, and the movement on P&L reserves notes. Other than that, the other ones can fall out. The other option, rather than putting them in your notes to the accounts, is actually just to put the additional disclosures in supplementary information at the back of your financial statements. That way, you'll just take them out when you go to abridge the accounts. I hope this was helpful for you today.